Want to see how well your friends know you put their travel skills to the test? There's a new feature for Instagram stories that will let you know just that. I'm Harry Viral from Harry Viral YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to use the new quiz stickers for Instagram stories. Now let's get started. So to begin, open Instagram and start making an Instagram story. Post as you normally would. You can snap a new photo or video. So I will go here and create another story. I will delete this and then open from beginning. So here I am in my left story. I will choose one photo. You can choose it. You can choose from your device. Then tap the sticker icon. At the top, select the quiz. You can see the sticker icon and select quiz sticker. You want to ask for, tap the dice below to get a random question. So I'll writing my question. And then there are options, multiple options. You can choose any one and write down the multiple question answers. I'll be writing here out: black, blue, choose from the box below. Top the answer that is correct. Change the color of the stickers by tapping the rainbow circle at the top. Then you can choose here. So I'll be selecting this one. After that, tap done. Drag the stickers to move it around and pinch with 2 fingers to adjust the size. When you are happy with how it looks, tap to story to post it. I'll post here. Okay, done. Okay, after that you can see here, done. Now when your followers watch your story, then they can tap the answer they think is correct. If they get it right, comfortably appear on their screen. You can see who has participated and what's their answers by tapping the seen by icon in the bottom left corner. This will only be visible to you, the person that posted the quiz. That's all it takes to use the new quiz sticker for Instagram stories. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we love you to hit that thumbs up button below. Click one of the videos on the screen. And now to learn about the awesome videos, check it out. Thank you so much.